All right, so here's the million-dollar question. What is inside the black hole? No idea. Now, we think that inside this event horizon, you're going to be very, very dense. A lot of mass in a very little amount of space. So that density and gravity are going to be infinite. I can't even imagine that. You will be so stinking heavy, and gravity's pushing on you so much, it's not even calculable. Able to calculate. I'm not sure if that's a word. The core of the black hole. There's got to be something there. But the core, they think, would be smaller than a particle, smaller than a quark. I mean, protons would be ginormous to these things. And this is awesome. The laws of physics cannot currently tell us what is going on inside a black hole. They can't tell us what's going on inside an event horizon. It's possible that there is a whole different state of matter inside this black hole. So basically, the only thing we know about black holes is that what goes in does not come out. However, we don't know where it goes either. Now, there are theories. You ask any Hollywood studio, I'm sure they'll have a theory. But could be universe, it could be actual time travel, it could be a whole new state of matter. I don't know. Any guess is valid at this point.